Hello there. In this video I'm going to let you have a look at our web-based time tracker, which is a free add-on for Emu CRM. Basically what this lets us do is define tasks that need to be accomplished by people inside CRM, and then give us a convenient way for them to mark off those tasks. So if I were to go and log in as myself, there's a task here that's been allocated to me, weld a steel frame. So if you have the CRM running in your sales office and your management area, what we want to try and do is allow this to be utilized outside in the workshop, warehouse, factory, whatever it may be, dispatch area, to give us a list of tasks that need to be completed by staff out there on the floor, so to speak. So what we want to try and do is make it very, very easy to use. You'll see it's actually running in a web browser, and the reason why it's running in a web browser is to make it real accessible for everyone. You don't need to have expensive computers out on the factory floor. You can use a mobile device, iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, cheap tablets that you can pick up from Target for $50. The idea is just the very, very simplest of user interfaces, so that inside the CRM, either manually or automatically as part of a workflow, you allocate somebody a task, they log in, they see their task list, and all they do is they tap the button here, and that task is now in progress. We're recording time against that task. The clock's going to keep ticking and ticking and ticking, so we've estimated that to weld this frame is going to take an hour. If I leave this for an hour, then there'll be an hour's worth of time recorded, which will let us compare budget time on a task to actual. If I go for a break, I can hit the pause button, the task's now paused, and I can pause and I can resume these tasks as many times as I wish. So the whole idea, again, just to push this out there into the factory floor, where the people who are doing the work of assembling, welding, cutting and finishing the actual work that we've sold in the CRM now get the chance to utilize the software here to go and update the tasks that they are, so that we can not rely on pieces of paper running backwards and forwards between two divisions in the company. When the task's complete, as you might guess, we just want to tap or click on the tick button and the task's gone. So what I'll do now is I'll just hop back into CRM, and let's say we have a project for this particular client here, Testy. I can just click Add Task, and it might be, let's just say, galvanize something. We'll choose the date, so I'll just choose today's date. We'll say it's going to take approximately 2 hours, and it's assigned to me, just for the purposes of this demo. I haven't linked it up to a project, although I could certainly link it to a project if I wanted, and I shall now just save and close that. When I go back into the web interface, what I'm able to do is just refresh the page, and now I see my other task. And I can have as many tasks in here as I like. I can look today, I could look for tasks for particular days in future, or things that I was supposed to do yesterday. I also have the option to include tasks that don't have a date. But the basic principle is quite straightforward. We can tick a task, the task is started. We can also have multiple tasks running at the same time. So if you were baking cakes and you had two separate tasks to bake the same cake, you could just say, I'm doing both of these tasks now, and stop them when they're done. So what I'll do now, tick that one away, and that task's gone. It's as easy as that.